Clear? Please tell me. My voice clear? Good evening, everyone. Please reply in the chat box. My voice clear? I am audible properly? I am audible properly. Please tell me. As the session supposed to be start from session 7:30, but due to some network issue, I have to be delayed for 10 minutes. Okay. So even if anyone is there for 2025 NEET, this video for today it's not based on 2025 NEET. Please remember, this is question answer discussion from Animal Kingdom, and this is for 2026 2027 NEET candidates. So screen properly visible, my voice, audio, everything clear. Remember that this video is not for 2025. Cutoff related already video I have published early in my channel for 129 seats. Prediction already I have given in my Telegram channel and in my WhatsApp channel. So this video is entirely for 2026 and 2027 NEET aspirants. So today I'll discuss on class 11 Animal Kingdom part. Yes. That's why I see you last day also, na, in the last video. For you, I only told you. This is only for you. That's why I reply you that this video is not for 2025 cutoff. This entire video it's based on 2026 and 2027 NEET aspirants. And today I'll discuss about the Animal Kingdom. It's PYQ, previous year question. Just reply me, I'm audible properly or not. Because already the video was scheduled at 7:30 due to some network issue. I have to start with delay. So let's wait for some others to be joined. Just tell me that my video properly visible, any network issue or not, my voice clear or not. Please inform me that my voice am audible properly or not. Video, is there any lag or not? Because for few days in my area there is some network issues. Okay. Okay, let's some other just wait for few minutes so the others will be joined. I'm properly audible or not? I'm properly audible or not? Please tell me I'm properly audible or not. I'm properly audible. Please inform me. Is there any lag in the video? My voice clear? Please tell me, is there any network issues? Okay. Right now, I think it's okay for everyone. Okay. So, as per the today's discussion, remember that we are targeting for NEET 2025 and NEET 2026 and NEET 2027. So for today, I have selected the topic Animal Kingdom first unit because as the maximum number of candidate maybe will be from class 11, maybe from class 12, or maybe as a dropper. So as this topic, it's present in both. I think it will be helpful for the both class 11, class 12 present candidate also. So that's why the Animal Kingdom from the first unit, maximum weightage in every single year comes from this particular part. And if we check from for 2026 at 2025 NEET, this year from unit 1 of class 11, total 10 question asked. And from that, the maximum weightage from Animal Kingdom. So all the upcoming videos, update, each and everything will be available in my Telegram channel. Already you can see this. I have given the keyword even in my WhatsApp channel also. Already I have given here. WhatsApp channel given here, and also the Telegram channel link also given here. Okay. Even in the description box, I will update. So all the upcoming information will be, you will get from that particular section. So let's start the Animal Kingdom. See, before going to any specific topic, first we have to check that what is actually in the inside. What is the actual scenario from 2026 NEET. Here you can see, starting from 2026, on an averagely for past couple of years, that on an averagely 4 question are asking from Animal Kingdom, on an average 3 to 4 question. So if we able to attend this particular section for NEET exam, 4 into 4 is equal to 16 marks will be common, and that is very important for us because nowadays we have seen the paper for 2025, it was a bit lengthy. So practicing PYQ will give us the idea that how we can able to solve the paper. Remember that. So on an averagely, you can see on the screen that on an average for past few years after 2020, 4 question are asking. In 2025, the major areas is the like that every 10 unit in the biology, on an averagely 10 question asked from each and every single unit. Some unit like the unit 2 of class 12, unit 2 of class 11 morphology anatomy section, 8 question asked this 2025. So on an averagely we can say 10 question from on an average every single units. So animal kingdom, that's why it's important, because having the 4 chapters: living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Now from animal kingdom only 4 questions, remember that. So that's why the weightage is a bit high in that particular section. So I think the proper section I have given with each and every question number and which year how many questions asked. So average idea we can expect for 2026 NEET that on an averagely 4 questions will be asked from this particular section. Now specifically before going to the particular topic or the PYQs, the area which we have to focus, that if you check here, I have given the type of question actually asked from this particular section, that direct conceptual base, direct conceptual. So direct conceptual means straightforward question from the NCERT book, total 9 question asked. I am talking about from 2015 AIPMT to 2025 up to NEET exams. So direct NCERT related line to line question asked 9. Identification of any characters, that related question came as a 8 question. That area we have to remember. Exception type, that find the incorrect one or true false statement type question, 4 question came. But the maximum question came from as a match the following column. Remember that the maximum question came as a match the following column. So 10 question came. So nowadays we know why the biology paper was lengthy, because match the following column, assertion reason based question. So more than one liner question increase in biology paper. So that's why. So I think that this type of question we have to practice maximum. Okay, for upcoming 2026 NEET. Now classification oriented question came, that 6 question. Assertion reasoning based question came, 4 question. Multiple statement based question came, 6 question. So weightage are bit high for more than one liner question. So these area we have to understand. Okay. That's why I think the paper was bit tough for major of the candidates. Okay. Now if you see about the level of the question, the maximum question as a moderate question, that moderate question came 50% weightage as a moderate. Easy type 35%, difficult 15%. Difficult means I have given specifically on the screen, you can see that difficult means assertion reason based question I have given as a difficult. As a statement based question, statement 1, statement 2, or classification logic wise question, that I have given as a moderate. And easy question means direct concept wise question came. So 35% till for this 10 years 2015 to 2025, easy type question 35%, moderate hard that is 50%, and difficult level question came as a 50%. Okay, please reply. My voice and video, is it clear? Please reply me. Is it clear? My video and the voice, is it clear for everyone? Is it properly audible? Is it properly audible? Please tell me, is it properly audible? Is it properly audible? Okay. So please reply. So I'll able to understand that there is no internet issues. Okay. Now, if you see, okay. So if you see here, the most common type of question, what is the insight? If we check the entire of the animal kingdom, what are the insight that we get? Okay. No issue. So most common type of question that match the following column, that I told you. The most common type of question that came as a match the following column. Remember that. So that's why I told you the paper for majority of the candidate was bit lengthy for the bio, and especially those students appear from Nagaland. We know biology is a strong section for them. We have to solve bio as much as possible. Okay, then we will get time. Then we will get time for physics and chemistry numerical problem. Now, the most targeted part. See, these are the area inside. All the insights I have given here. All the insights. So, most targeted areas is animal classification and the trait part. Traits means that in which basis the entire animal kingdom is being classified. Based on which character? Based on their tissues, based on their symmetry, based on their germ layer. So, these area, presence or absence of coelom, which type of, because in 2025 one question came based on the pseudocoelomates. So this trait wise question came as well as the classification part also came early. These are the targeted area. So in 2025 whatever we have seen earlier year, that most of the question was bit common as it already came in the early years. So repetition of the question we have seen in 2024, but that type of thing not happening for 2025. Now, from which areas the maximum number of question came, like core data. From core data maximum number of question came for past 10 years, Porifera, Ctenophora and Arthropoda. So among the total 11 phylum in the animal kingdom, these are the area from where the maximum number of question came. This Porifera, Chordata, Ctenophora, Arthropoda and Chordata. Okay, so I think it is clear for all of you. Now, see. Now, every question number I have given here. So, check here that the trait that I told, like for phylum, some phylum specific question came, that the question number also I have given later. Whenever the recording session already will be there in my channel, later you will check, so you will understand about that. So, focused on the heavily tested areas are focused on the Porifera, Ctenophora, Chordata. Porifera, Ctenophora, Chordata, these are the heavily focused areas. Okay, phylum specific. Chordate versus non-chordate also question came. We can see the total number of question is 5. Chordate versus non-chordate about their characteristic features. And if you go to the NCERT, there is a clear-cut section. There is a column which is given in the NCERT book as a chordate versus non-chordates. Now, concept like the notochord, gill slits, dorsal nerve cord that I already told you. If you go to the NCERT and if you check, there is a proper chordata versus non-chordata. There is a difference given. So, from that section also question came early. Classification by features that I told you, the presence of coelom, absence of coelom, which type of germ layer present, which type of symmetry present. So, that types of question we can see that total same 5 question came. Special features or function wise, same 6 question came from this area, like their digestive part, exoskeleton, water vascular system. So if you check the entire animal kingdom, we can divide the entire animal kingdom based on the 11 characters. Like I'll come on that part. Now, animal example, this is one of the toughest part. Remember that in NCERT there are lots of example given in the animal kingdom, and in recent years, that the type of question are asking, it's like that scientific name given and we have to identify the normal common name, or suppose one character is given, let's say that animal belongs to the nematoda, but it's not given, Aschelminthes is not given, their scientific name given. So this type of question, recently this kind of question are coming. So we have to focus these areas, examples specifically. Okay, no matter in which way you remember, but at the end of the day, you have to remember the scientific name as well as their common name. Symmetry, coelom and segmentation wise question, total 4 question came. So these are the areas. I think that before going to the first, we will study the entire of the chapter. I think all of you have studied early in your class 11 time, in your class 9 class also, but that much of details was not there. But the thing is like that, if you're in class 11, maybe in your school that is done. If you're in class 12, obviously in your class 11 done. Or if you are preparing as a repeater candidate, I think that is also done, because that is in the beginning of the chapters. So once the chapter done, first understand that this type kind of questions are asking for past few years. So understand that solving PYQ is not that much of important, I think personally. Understanding the PYQ, that from where the questions are asking, which area we have to focus. This is very much important for us. Okay. So on your screen there, you can see one question that came in the year of 2012. 15. Please answer me this. Please answer me. The body having meshwork of cell, internal cavities lined with the food filtering flagellated cell, and indirect development are the characteristics of the phylum of AIPMT 2015. This question came. Body having the meshwork of cell, internal cavities lined with the food filtering flagellated cells, and indirect developments are the characteristics of the phylum of Protozoa, Coelenterata, Porifera, and Mollusca. So tell me the answer. Which answer will be correct here? Which answer will be correct here for question number 1? Please remember here some of the important areas given, that meshwork of cell. So cell present in that organism. There is an internal cavity lined with a special type of cells, that is a flagellated cell. So that helps in the food filtering, and development is indirect development. So which answer will be correct here? Tell me. Yes, yeah, if you can answer it like 1 2 3 4 also. 1 2 3 4 also you can write. Yes, correct. Others, you can write down also 1 2 3 4. Enter, it's not required. So understand that the question came meshwork of cell. If we see in our entire animal kingdom, the entire animal kingdom is classified like that multiple cells are present in animal kingdom. Remember that multiple cells are present. So internal cavities are there. So what, can anyone tell me what is the name of the internal cavities? Can anyone tell me? Obviously the answer is Porifera. But just if we recall our memories, the meshwork of cell, obviously Porifera does not have tissue. They have the cell. So internal cavities. What is the name of the internal cavities? Anyone? What is the name of the internal cavities? What is the name of the internal cavities? What is the name of the flagellated cell? What is the name of the flagellated cell? Flagellated cells to choanocyte. Yes, flagellated cells, so that is choanocyte. But I am talking about what is the name of the internal cavities. Let's say if you see the poriferan body, it's, let's say it's like that. So there is an internal cavity present within the body. Okay, there is an internal cavity presence. So what is the name of this cavity? Choanocyte is a special flagellated cell. It's a special flagellated cell that is present within their body. Special flagellated cell, that is called as a choanocytes. Yes, spongiocele. Spongiocele is the right answer. Spongiocele, remember. Now, understand that whenever we are studying about the porifera, then and there we have to compare it with the cnidarians and ctenophorans. Cnidaria also have another cavity. Cnidarians also have cavity. So what is the name of the cavity? Cnidarians also have the cavity. What is the name of the cavity? Yes, choanocyte is a special flagellated cell. This is choanocyte. So I am talking about that cnidarians also having a cavity. What is the name of the cavity? Cnidarians also having a cavity. What is the name of this cavity? What is the name of that cavity? Cnidarians also have the cavity. That cavity is known as a gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron. So this coelenterata, because cnidaria, alternative name, it's a coelenterata. So the name of the cavity for the cnidarians, it's a gastrovascular cavity. Yes, gastrovascular cavity. Remember that. Okay. So whenever we are talking about, understand that how I am solving, whenever I am solving a particular question, our target is not that to get the answer, to check the associated area also. Remember that whenever we are solving, because understand this, past 10 years, if averagely 4 question came, so for past 10 years, 10 into 4 is equal to 40 question came from here. So this 40 question, it's not like that we have to only solve, we have to check the associated point, that from that associated point also question can be asked. So that's why I'm telling you that Porifera is the right answer. Although Porifera, as the cavity is there, that cavity is called as a spongiocele, that you guys answer me, and the special flagellated cell, that is called as a choanocyte. Okay. Same type of, because you can see in the option number 2 there is a coelenterata. So coelenteron is a cavity, gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron, which is present in the cnidarians. Remember that. So that's why I'm talking about to compare, all time compare between the different phylums. Okay, thereby you will get the answer. Chalo. So Porifera is the correct answer. This question came in the 2015 AIPMT. Okay. Next question, that metagenesis refers to. Metagenesis refers to. So try to recall what is the meaning of metagenesis. This question came in 2015 AIPMT. 2015 AIPMT. Which option will be correct? Don't check, do not check your book, just try to answer. Do not check your book, just try to answer. Okay, let's see, some answer came. Let's see. Okay. So first check the associated answer. First check the associated answer, that metagenesis. Remember that metagenesis. Genesis stands for formation. Genesis for formation. Remember that. Genesis stands for formation. So first option is given. Always whenever we are practicing, always we will check the other options. Presence of segmented body. Presence of segmented body and parthenogenetic mode of reproduction. Parthenogenetic. What is the meaning of parthenogenesis? Parthenogenesis means it's a type of reproduction where fusion of gametes are not there. Okay, fusion of gamete will not be there. That is called as a parthenogenesis. Remember that. Okay. So obviously this is not the right answer. Presence of different morphic form, different character present. Morphic form means different characters presence. So this is also not. Now alternation of generation between the asexual and sexual phase of the organism. Obviously this is the right answer, as you guys told me. Last option given, occurrence of a drastic changes in the form of post-embryonic development. So this is also not. Now if we recall the metagenesis, we will remember we have studied in our book as a polyp and medusa. Polyp and medusa, these are the two stages. Polyp and medusa, these are the two stages, alternation of generation. Now polyp stages look like, somehow it's look like this Y-like structure. Some picture in the NCERT is given. Medusa is look like umbrella sepate. Medusa, it's look like umbrella sepate. Remember that. It's look like umbrella sepate. That's that we know about the jellyfish. Example, it's a jellyfish. Okay. Polyp example, it's a hydra. Polyp example, it's a hydra and adamsia. Remember that. Polyp example, it's a hydra and adamsia. For medusa example, it's a aurelia, jellyfish. Now alternation of generation means some organism, they can form polyp to medusa as well as medusa to polyp. Remember that. And polyp, it reproduce actually, polyp actually reproduce asexually. I think that is visible. Polyp actually reproduce asexually, medusa reproduce sexually. Remember that. Okay, please be clear about these concepts, correlated concepts. Whenever we are solving a question, we will try to answer the details part. So we will recall our previous memories. So alternation of generation means polyp and medusa both presents. Okay, so polyp can form the medusa. So polyp, it's a asexual stage, medusa, it's a sexual stage. So this is visible in, can anyone tell me, this polyp to medusa, medusa to polyp is visible in which organism? In NCERT example given, in which organism polyp to medusa, medusa to polyp, in which organism that is present? Polyp to medusa, medusa to polyp, in which organism this is present? Please tell me. In which organism this is present? Polyp to medusa, medusa to polyp, in which organism present? What is the example? Like polyp example, only polyp stage, it's hydra. Already I have written, you can see that is hydra. Medusa, polyp stage also visible in adamsia. Medusa stage visible in Aurelia. Yes, good, right. Sarah, it's good. So polyp to Medusa, Medusa to polyp is visible. Only one example given in the NCERT. That is called as a new era. Can you change your name? So I have to only ask you as a new era like that. So that is the example as a Obelia. Remember that the example, it's a Obelia. In Obelia, this alternation of generation. Yes, correct. Obelia. Remember that. So these are the example we have to remember by that way. Otherwise, single example, it will be very difficult for us to remember at the end of the day. Okay. Now next question. Check this question. Answer this. A jawfish which lay the eggs in fresh water and whose ammoset larva after metamorphosis return to the ocean. Related one line is given directly in the NCERT question, again came in the AIPMT 2015, that a jawless fish which lay eggs. So obviously jawless. So they are asking about the jawless fish. So which fish is a jawless? Which group is a jawless? That means they are talking about Agnatha. Agnatha, they do not have jaw. Remember that. Gnatha stands for the jaw. Agnatha stands for without jaw. So they does not have jaw. Now they lay the eggs in the fresh water and whose ammoset larva after metamorphosis return to the ocean. So who are they? Yes, petromyzon. Remember that. So this question, petromyzon belongs to cyclostomata. Petromyzon belongs to cyclostomata. And remember that when we will go to the proceed to the next upcoming question. Yes, it's correct. Option number 2, petromyzon. Remember that. So it's belong to the cyclostomata, class cyclostomata. Now whatever the options is given, like all time whenever we are solving, please remember that we are solving those questions, then and there we will check their options, because you will see the trend. Some question that came earlier, that this kind of section is repeated in the next year. Okay, Periplaneta means, Periplaneta belong to which phylum? Periplaneta belongs to the which phylum? Tell me. Periplaneta belongs to the which phylum? Periplaneta belongs to the which phylum? Periplaneta belongs to the which phylum? Quick, tell me the answer. Periplaneta belongs to the which phylum? Which phylum the Periplaneta belongs? In which phylum the Periplaneta belongs? Tell me this. Periplaneta belongs to Arthropoda. Periplaneta belongs to not Ctenophora. Periplaneta. Cockroach scientific name. Clear? Cockroach scientific name. Bombyx belongs to which phylum? Bombyx belongs to which phylum? Tell me. Bombyx belongs to which phylum? Tell me. Bombyx belongs to which phylum? Answer me this. Quickly tell me, Bombyx belongs to which phylum? Bombyx mori is the scientific name. So Bombyx belongs to which? Yes, Arthropoda. Correct. Bombyx belongs to the Arthropoda. Hydra belongs to the, already on the last discussion it came as a Cnidarians. Yes. So Periplaneta americana, it's also Arthropoda. Bombyx mori, it's a Arthropoda. But Hydra, it's a Cnidarians. Clear? All time whenever we are solving a question, then and there, please try to recall. Maybe you guys have in your hand the books, maybe past year question. Then and there, all time we have to recall this memory. So thereby, whenever we are practicing stands for we will remember for minimum 1 year these concepts. So we will crack the question. We will check all the options from which areas this came. Okay. So Periplaneta, Arthropoda, Petromyzon, Cyclostomata. So these questions are asking about the Cyclostomata, Petromyzons. Okay. Bombyx, it's a Arthropoda, and Hydra, it's a Cnidarians. Now, just to recall the previous question, that Hydra Obviously, it's a polyp stage visible within the hydra. Yes, arthropoda. Correct. Okay, I think this question clear to all of you. Now, I am going to the next one. Now, which of the following features is not present in the phylum of arthropoda? Which, now as you see the major options there in the last question of 2015, just check here, question of 2015 AIPMT, two option given from arthropoda. Now in 2016 NEET, see the question given from arthropoda. That's why I told you. That's why my point is like that, we have to crack the paper, that from which zone question are asking, which area question are asking. Clear? So, which of the following features is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? Which of the following features is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? Tell me. Which character is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? Just recall. Parapodia. Parapodia means some organism, they have parapods for the swimming purpose. Some organism, they have the parapods for swimming purpose. Is it belong to the arthropoda? Is that character belongs to the arthropoda? Jointed appendages? No, you guys wrong. Parapodia is the character of which phylum? Parapodia, no. Sorry. Which of the following feature is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? Yes. Which of the following character is not present in the Arthropoda? So, jointed appendages is the character of Arthropoda. Okay. Chitinous exoskeleton is the character of Arthropoda. Metameric segmentation, body of arthropod annelids, they are separate. Please check it very carefully. I am talking about this particular option number 3 and option number 4. You will see later the question came from these lines. Understand that. Just mark the chitinous exoskeleton. Question came, which of the character is not present in the phylum Arthropoda? So Parapodia is not present in the Arthropoda. Parapodia present in Nereis. Nereis is the example of annelids. Nereis is the example of annelids. So in annelida, for Nereis, Parapodia presents. So if Parapodia is the locomotory organ for the annelids, so another organism of the these annelids having different types of locomotory organ. Can you tell me if Parapodia is a locomotory organ for arthropods, another organism for annelids, another organism of the annelids have different types of locomotory organ. So can you tell me what is the name of that locomotory organ that is also present in annelida? Anyone? Let's check. Can anyone tell me that, like Parapodia is a locomotory organ for annelids, like example is Nereis. In Nereis, Parapodia are present. So same type of locomotory organ, that means locomotory organ for annelids. Another example is there. Yes, correct. Sita, yes, correct. Sita or city is the locomotory organ. Yes, correct. Sita or city is the locomotory organ of earthworm. Okay, earthworm. Now see this very much carefully. How in biology terminology is very much important. So SETAE, that is a locomotory organ of arthropods, annelids, locomotory organ of the annelids for earthworm. And SETA is Sita. What is the meaning of Sita? What is the meaning of ACTA? Sita. One to first to locomotory organ of the annelids present in earthworm. But what is the meaning of Sita? SETA. Sita present in. What is the meaning of Sita? SETA. Sita. Tell me, what is the meaning of Sita? What is the meaning of Sita? ACTA. Sita stands for Sita present in. Anyone? Sita present in. SETA. Sita present in. Try to use your brain. Try to use your brain. Yes, yes. Which capsule? Which capsule? Which capsule? Somehow you are nearby, but which capsule? Tell me. Which capsule? Theta present in which organism? Theta present in. Theta present in. Theta present in. Filament. Yes, yes. I can understand. Filament that support the capsule. But which capsule? Which capsule? Yes, bryophytes. Remember that. So if you go to the NCERT and check the bryophyte example, so for the bryophyte, let's say this picture may be visible. This is the gametophytic plants, female gametophytic plants. So upon the female gametophytic plants, sporophytic body develop. Okay. For this sporophytic plant, this particular area is called as a theta. If you go your NCERT and check, this is I am talking about bryophytes. For bryophytes on the female gametophytic plants, the sporophytic plant develop, and the portion that I mark you, that is known as a theta. Remember that. So body is divided with the theta capsule. Okay. So please don't get confused here. Only one E differ. So CT present in, SETAE present in, that is annelids locomotory organ. So annelid have two types of locomotory organ. In case of the earthworm, that is theta. In case of the nereis, that is as a parapodium. Clear? I think clear. Okay. And mark these two area. Option number 3, chitinous exoskeleton and metameric segmentation. In future we will see question came from this part. Be clear about that portion. I think this is done. Next question. Next question. What is the correct explanation? Which one is the correct one? Which one is the correct? First option given, NEET 2016 phase 2. Remember in the NEET 2016 there was phase 1 and phase 2. So which one is correct here? All mammals are viviparous. All mammals are viviparous. All cyclostome do not possess jaw and pair fins. All reptiles have 3 chambers of heart. All pieces have gills covered by the operculum. So which one is correct statement here? Which statement is correct here? Quickly reply. Quickly reply. Which statement is correct here? Which statement is correct here? Please reply. NEET 2016. NEET 2016 question came. NEET 2016 question came that which of the following statement is correct? All mammals are viviparous. All cyclostomata or cyclostome do not possess jaw and pair fins. All reptiles have a 3-chamber heart. All pieces have gills covered by the operculum. So which option is correct? Yes, Sarah. Yes, 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 that is correct. So let's check. Let's check. Okay, okay, yes. Option number 2 correct. Correct. Option number 2 correct. So let's check the other options. What we will get the information for the other options. So see here, please be careful. Please again be careful. Understand this area. Understand this. Viviparous. So what is the, yes, option number 2 correct. Correct. Good. Good. Option number 2 correct. So please be sure viviparous. Viviparous means they give the birth directly to the young one. They give the birth the young one, that is a viviparous. Okay. Now all mammals are viviparous. Is it? Is it all mammals are viviparous? Some mammals are there like duckbill platypus. Like duckbill platypus. They are oviparous. If you go to the NCERT, it's given there that some mammals are there who are also oviparous. Okay, so all mammals are not viviparous. Remember that. And this question came again, not this question, from this area, that all mammals are viviparous. True statement, false statement, like that. So mark this point. Cyclostomata do not possess jaw and pair of fins. Direct line of the NCERT given. Direct line that cyclostomata do not possess jaw. So last question that I told you, the last question, if you see this one, Agnatha, this one, question number 3, 2015 question, jawless fish, Agnatha. So obviously here it is mentioned there without jaw. Okay, Agnatha. So same Same type of question came in 2016. So check why this PYQ study and understanding the solve is very much important. Okay, clear? So all cyclostome do not process jaw and the pair of fins. So obviously, okay. Now all reptiles have three chamber heart. All reptiles have three chamber heart. No, all reptiles do not have three chamber heart. If we check the three chamber heart, even the question, same line of question came in the next years. So if we check reptilian heart, if we check the reptilian heart, so it's a 3.5 chamber heart. 3.5 chamber heart. So right atrium, this is right atrium, this is left atrium, and this is ventricle, which is partially separated. This is the reptilian heart. But the problem is that crocodiles have 4 chamber of heart. Remember that the crocodiles have the 4 chamber of heart. Crocodile do not have 3 chamber or 3.5 chamber. So this line also came in the upcoming years in the after 2020 this from these segments. Okay, all pieces have gills covered by the operculum. No, pieces are two types. Pieces are two types. One is chondrichthyes, another is ostricthyes. One is chondrichthyes, another is ostricthyes. So chondrichthyes, they do not have operculum. Remember that they do not have operculum. So only ostricthyes have the operculum. And if you open the operculum, you can see the gills. But remember that chondrichthyes do not have operculum. They have directly gill slits. Okay, clear? Okay, so I'm going to the next one. Question number 6. Question number 6. Which of the following characteristics is not shared by the birds and mammals? 2016 question came. Which of the following characters is not shared by the birds and mammals? In the option given, viviparity, warm-blooded in nature, ossified endoskeletons, and breathing using the lungs. Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly. Which one? Which of the following characteristics is not shared by the birds and mammals? Which character is not shared by the birds and mammals? Which character is not shared by the birds and mammals? Tell me this quickly, everyone. Option number 5, how you will get? Where you are getting option number 5? Which one? Which one? Tell me. Quick, 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 everyone. No, no, no. It will be viviparity. Remember that. Warm-blooded in nature, birds and mammals are warm-blooded in nature. Ossified endoskeleton present in both. Breathing using the lungs present in both. But the answer is viviparity. Remember that. Answer is viviparity. Okay, viviparous in nature. So, major mammals are, all mammals are not viviparous. Okay, all mammals are not viviparous. But major mammals are viviparous. So, birds are not viviparous, they are oviparous. Okay, birds are not viviparous, they are oviparous. But only the mammals which has, according to NCERT, that which is oviparous, that is duckbill platypus. So, correct option is viviparity. Remember that, not option 3. Is it clear? Is it clear? So, already I told you what is the meaning of viviparity in the last question, that viviparous means they give the birth directly to the young one, that is the viviparity. Is it clear to all of you? So I'm going to the next one. Question number 7. Question number 7. Which of the following characteristics features always hold true corresponding group of animals? 2016 question. 2016 question. Process a mouth with an operculum and lower jaw, that is chordata. Cartilaginous endoskeleton, that is chondrichthyes. Viviparous mammalia. Three-chamber heart with one incomplete divided ventricle, that is reptilia. So please tell me that which one is correct here? Which one is correct? Yeah, okay. Just solve this one and I'll come on that part. Just solve this one. Tell me. Remember here what is given, that always hold true. Always hold true. Always hold true. Corresponding to the animals. Corresponding to the animals. Always hold true. Please tell me quickly. Tell me quickly. What will be the options? Which option is correct here? Which option is correct here? That which of the following characteristic features always hold true for the corresponding group of animals? Okay, animal group name given, that process mouth with an upper jaw and lower jaw, that is for the chordata. So just tell me, chordata have upper jaw and lower jaw? All chordates have the upper jaw and lower jaw? All chordata have the upper jaw and lower jaw? Is it all chordata having the upper jaw and lower jaw? Obviously not. Chordates have, if we check, there are basic three subphylum for the phylum chordata. One is Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Now if we check to the Vertebrata are divided based on the jaw. Some are jawless agnatha, some are with jaw, that is the Gnathostomata. So process a mouth and with upper and lower jaw in chordates, that is not the correct answer. Obviously correct option, yes, correct, good. So correct one is cartilaginous endoskeleton. This is the correct. Okay, for the chondrichthyes. Viviparous in mammals. Remember that the thing which is given, that always hold true. Always hold true. So always true, that is viviparous in mammals. Always, that is not true. Okay. Three-chamber heart with one incomplete divided ventricle, that already I draw the picture early, that if we check the reptilian heart, for reptilia, that right ventricle is there, right atrium is there, left atrium is there. If you recall this chart, recall this picture, and partially separated the ventricle, 3.5 chamber. But this is not entirely true for the reptilia, because crocodiles although belong to the reptilia, but they have 4 chamber of heart. Remember that. So correct option. So option number 3, option number 4 are not correct. So option number 2 is correct. Now one of you asking for last one. One of you asking for the last question. I think question number 7 clear to all of you. Question number 7 I think clear to all of you. Okay. So I am going to the question number 6. You are asking about the ossified endoskeleton. Maybe you are talking about ossified endoskeleton. Ossified endoskeleton means our internal body is made up with the bones. Ossified endoskeleton means our internal body is made up with the bones. Remember that. That is the ossified endoskeleton. Ossified endoskeleton stands for our internal structure or internal part. It's made up by bone. So new era, is it clear? New era, is it clear? Ossified endoskeleton means our internal part is made up by the bones. Internal era, is it clear? Okay, because the question asks the which of the following character is not shared by the birds and mammals. So birds warm-blooded, mammals also warm-blooded. Ossified endoskeleton present in both birds and mammals. Breathing using the lungs present both in birds and mammals. But some of the mammals, major mammals, not some, major mammals, they show the viviparity. Only few mammals, they show the oviparity. Okay, so major character oviparous is not the character of the mammals. Major is viviparous. So on that point, this one is the right answer. Okay, viviparity. Clear? Okay. So question number 7 I think done. Question number 7 done. Clear? Viviparous mammal. So see, question of 2016, phase 1, phase 2 is quite similar. Quite similar grounds of question. Clear? Now, question number 8. In case of the sporiferans, spongocoel is lined with flagellated cell that I told you earlier. The first question that is came in 2015. I explain you that which flagellated cell, what is the name of the flagellated cell? What is the name of the flagellated cell? In the question number 1 that I discuss. In the question number 1 that I discuss, please tell me quick. Be quick. Be quick. Which one is the right answer? In case of the poriferans, the spongocoel is lined with the flagellated cell. Yes. Yes, squamosite. So squamosite is a special flagellated cell. Remember that. Squamosite is a special flagellated cells for poriferans. That I told you that the same question came in 2015. Yes. Asik, right answer. Akivili, right answer. Sarah, right answer. New Era, right answer. Now, so if we check the, please, this is question number 8 came in 2017. Now question number 1. Question number 1, I think you can remember. See how this is correlated, That's why whenever we are solving, no matter whatever the paper, whatever the subject you are solving, please solve this way that I am talking about. Okay, all the options you go, details, study related portion, take the ideas, recap the memories. Yes, Caroline, that is right answer. So please check the way that I am talking about. If you study by this way, obviously you will get common. Remember that Animal Kingdom, I know total 11 phylum, and for phylum chordata we have to study up to the subclass. We have to study up to the class level. So many example we have to cover. So this is really tough. Even for me also it's a tough to remember. Okay, so I can understand your situation. So, but remember the way I'm talking about. Check the all question, go inside, study related portions. So you will get the question common. So 2015, the AIPMT question came, same area question came in 2017. Okay, question number 8. Acha. Now, as the option is choanocytes, let's check what is oscula and what is ostia. Let's check this. What is oscula and what is ostia? Please anyone tell me. So if we check the poriferans body, in the poriferans body, there are numerous pores are present on the body. Numerous pores are present on the body wall. So these pores are called as a millions of spore. NCERT line is a millions of spore. So millions of spore are pores are called as a ostia. So these pore are called as a this green color. These green color pores are called as a ostia. Okay, this is ostia. Millions of spore, NCERT line, and osculum is the large pore in the body. This is osculum. This is the large pore, that is as a osculum. Clear? I think clear to all of you. Okay, mesenchymal cell related information is not given. Okay, forget about that. But osculum, that is oscula given, but that is actually that is osculum and ostia. So these are the pores within the poriferans. Mesenchymal related information is not given, so I am not going to that depth. Clear? Okay. Now next question of 2017. Tell me important characteristics that hemichordates share with the chordates. Important characteristics that share or that hemichordates share with the chordates. Which one? Which important character the chordates share with the hemichordates? Quick, be quick everyone. Quick, tell me. Which character share chordates with the hemichordates? Which character share with the chordates with the hemichordates? Chordates and hemichordate character is common. So which one? Which one? Quickly tell me. Everyone be fast. Be fast, quick, quick. Acha, whoever is answering this 4, new era, Achivili, why you guys answering 4? Absence of notochord, that is the chordate character. Absence of notochord is the chordate character. Why it will be absence of notochord? Chalo, absence of notochord if the presence of hemichordate character. Okay, so for the chordates, so notochord present, na? So why it will be like that? Lizzie, Theoren and Sarah. That is correct answer. Option number 2, faddings with the gill slits. Faddings with the gill slits. These are the NCERT line question. Remember that. Earlier, before beginning of the topic that I told you, some question directly came from the NCERT. So punching question, I told you that chordate related question came. Yes, Asik. Option number 2. Now, ventral tubular nerve cord. Ventral tubular nerve cord. So that is the character of the chordates. Is that the character of the chordates? Ventral tubular nerve cord. Is that the character of the chordates? Is the ventral tubular nerve cord? Is that the character of the chordates? No. No. In place of the ventral, that need to be dorsal. Remember that. Dorsal nerve cord present. Remember that. Dorsal nerve cord present. Please go and check the related answers. So dorsal nerve cords are present. Okay. So faddings with the gill slits, obviously that is the correct option. But ventral nerve cord given, it need to be dorsal tubular nerve cord. Acha, faddings without gill slits, that is not the character. Absence of notochord. Cholo, absence of notochord in hemichordates. In heavy-chordate, notochord is not present, but notochord-like structure is present. That is called as a stomochord. Notochord-like structure is present. That is called as a stomochord. But notochord to present in the chordata. Is it or not? Notochord to present in the chordata. So how it will be possible? Is it clear? Is it clear, Achivili and New Era? Is it clear, Achivili and New Era? Is it clear, Achivili and New Era? Okay. Is it clear, I think? Is it clear, Achivili and New Era? Okay, I'm going to the next one. I'm going to the next one. Question number 10. Question number 10. Quickly answer. Which of these is the correct combination of the aquatic animals? 2017 question. Which of these is the correct combination of the aquatic animals? Which of these is the correct combination of the aquatic animals? Dolphin, seal, trigon, whales, dolphin, seal, trigon, whale, seal, dolphin, shark. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Quickly answer me. Which one? Which one is the correct answer? Option number 2. Okay. So let's check. Dolphin and seal. First tell me dolphin and seal. They are belong to mammalia or not? They are belong to mammalia or not? Dolphin and seal, they are belong to mammalia or not? They are belong to mammalia. But trigon means, trigon stands for stingray. Trigon stands for stingray. Remember that. Trigon stands for stingray. They belongs to. Trigon stands for the stingray. They belongs to. Which one? They belongs to Conrictis. Remember that. Trigon belongs to the Conrictis. Trigon belongs to the Conrictis. Is it clear? Okay. Stingray. So that is not the option. Correct option. Stingray is not there. Stingray is not there in option 3. Okay. Shark. Even the shark also. Shark also not. Okay. Remember that. So correct option is option number 2. Correct option is option number 2. Question number 10, correct option is option number 2. Whales, dolphin, alcine and seal. Now, question number 11. Question number 11. Quickly tell me, identify the vertebrate group of animals characterized by the crop and gizzard in its digestive system. Identify the vertebrate group of animals characterized by the crops and gizzard in its digestive system. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Aves, reptilia, amphibia, ostrichthys. Which one? Yes. Which one? Crops and gizzard are present. Crops and gizzard are present in reptilia. How it will be possible? Crops and gizzard. Where are you guys? Imna Sangla. How it will be possible? Caroline. Yes, Avis. Obviously that is Avis. Remember, crops and gizzards are present in Avis. And remember that this related question came later also. This crops and gizzard related question. This one came in 2018. So this same related question later also. Okay, same type of question came in later also. Clear? Okay. Now question number 12. Which of the following is not homeotherm? Tell me quickly, which of the following is not homeotherm? Which of the following is not homeotherm here? Which one is not homeotherm? What is the meaning of the homeothermic animals? Homeothermic animals means they can maintain their internal temperature. These are the homeotherms. So if we check the entire of the classification, so who can maintain, which group can maintain the internal temperature? 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 Which group? Tell me which group can maintain the internal temperature. I am not talking about these options. In entire animal kingdom, which group, which class can maintain the internal temperature? Which class can maintain the internal temperature? Just tell me which class can maintain the internal temperature? Which class can maintain the internal temperature? Just tell me this. Which class can maintain the internal temperature? Yes, Bhumi, it's correct. But I am talking about in an entire animal kingdom, which class can maintain the internal temperature? Which class can maintain the internal temperature? Yes, Aves and Mammalia. Correct. Aves and Mammalia. So all time we have to see that Corvus belongs to, Corvus means that is crow. So crow belongs to Avis. Crow belongs to avis. Okay, always we have to check the inside. This is turtle. This is turtle, belongs to reptilia. Clear? Next, macropus. Macropus, it's a kangaroo. Macropus, it's a kangaroo, belongs to mammalia. Clear? It's a mammalia. Now, Citicula. Citicula belongs to the, it's a parrot. It's a parrot, belongs to the avis. It's a babies. Yes, 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 good. Good. So the correct option, so which is not homeotherm, that means they cannot maintain their internal temperature, that is turtles or chelon. That is turtles or chelon, scientific name. Clear? Okay, done. Complete. And remember that this chelon also came, Citicula, parrot also came later. So these are the areas we have to focus. Remember that every question have some insights. If you solve entire of the PYQ, some of the new members are joined here. So please remember that if you solve the PYQ, solving PYQ is not such mandatory. Understanding the PYQ is very much necessity for us. Clear? Understanding the PYQ is very much necessity for us. Okay, chalo. The next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Match the following column with the respective of their characters. 2019 question. Column 1, column 2 given. Column 1, column 2 given. Column 1, column 2 given. So please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me. Scientific name given on the left side. That phyla, Bombyx mori, Pleurobrachia and Tinea. Okay. Okay. Good. Bhumi. No issue. No issue. Phyla, Bombyx, Pleurobrachia and Tinea. So on the right side, flame cell, complete radula and Malpighian tubules. Which option is correct? Whenever we'll get the match the following column, please remember in the beginning of my video, just for this video I'm talking about, when I analyze the animal kingdom, which type of question came. So what we get to know, maximum number of questions as a match the following column. Always during the match the following column, remember that your biology paper need to be solved within 40 to 45 minutes. Within 40 to 45 minutes. 90 questions need to be solved within 40 to 45 minutes. Not in 1 hour. Because physics numerical and physical numerical 100% you will get stuck. If you take the maximum time that this year happened, if you take the maximum time, whenever a paper, moderator also set the paper, they also know that this paper can be solved within 3 hours. Okay, so this time after 2025 needs, lots of the student told like biology paper was too lengthy like that. Whenever we are getting this type of question, what we have to do, it's a very simple thing. Choose the easiest one for you. Always listen me very carefully, choose the easiest one for you. Maybe, let's say if I go with the phyla, okay, so phyla match with the radula, when I check the easiest one, understand that, if I check the easiest one, that A with the 3, A is 3 is present in option number 1, option number 2, option number 4, so that means option number 3 is eliminated. Always do like that, that option number 3 eliminated. Okay, now next the easiest one, let's say Tinea with or Bombyx with, which one with the Bombyx? Bombyx will match with Malpighian tubules, Bombyx match with the Malpighian tubules. So B with the 4, now B4 is present in option number 2. So I have not solved the entire of the question, but by solving 1 or 2, we get the answer. That is my point. Don't go for solving all out, because in your entire of the paper, now there are lots of match the following column will be there. So if you go and solve each and every single thing, then though time will not be there. So always check, cross check. If it's there on the first option you get, chalo. If like for this particular question we have seen A3 is present in 3 options. Okay, no issue. Then go to the next easiest one. Which one is easy for you and solve that. Clear? As you guys have mentioned already, I can see all of you have given the answer. So I'm not going to discuss the details, but check that one. This radula also came in the later. Okay, radula also came later. So radula present in mollusca. Radula present. So radula is a rasping organ, feeding, that help for the feeding purpose. Remember this. Radula help in a feeding purpose. It's clear cut written in the NCERT, that is a rasping organ for the feeding purpose. Radula help. Okay. Flame cell. Please be careful about that. Flame cell alternative name is protonephridia. Protonephridia or flame cells. Please be careful about that. Protonephridia or flame cell present in platyhelminthes. How you will remember that? P for P. All books are NCERT. Only NCERT. Go with NCERT. No other book required. Only NCERT required. Remember that. P for platyhelminthes. Our way to remember like that. And P for protonephridia. Because contrasting term will come here. Like annelids having their respiratory organ as a nephridia. So student can get confused here. So annelida respiratory organ is nephridia. Annelida excretory organ is nephridia, and platyhelminthes is a protonephridia. So which one will be benefit for us? How we can remember this? That platyhelminthes P for protonephridia P. Okay. Now protonephridia alternative name is a flame cell, and annelids, the major after the A, where we are pronouncing annelids, N. Okay, N. So nephridia, that the way we'll remember. Clear or not? Everyone? How I am talking about? Annelids, major pronunciation after the A, it's focusing on the N. So that's why annelids, nephridia. Is it clear to all of you or not? Please be focused on that areas. These are the confusing areas. Okay, Bhumi, just follow NCERT book. Other book is not required. Go through NCERT, prepare your self note, sort out the notes. It will be done. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, question number 14. Tell me the answer. Question number 14, tell me the answer. Question number 14, tell me the answer. Question number 14, tell me the answer. Tell me question number 14. Tell me the answer. Question number 14. What will be the answer? Organ system level of organization. So organ system, if we check the entire animal kingdom, it's basically classified that all animals that I told you earlier also, they are multicellular. All animals means they are multicellular. Clear? Cell level present in porifera. Nidaria and Ctenophora is tissue level. They are tissue level. Now organ level is starting from, remember that if you have NCERT in your hand, there is a contradiction of ideas in NCERT. In NCERT line, if you check platyhelminthes, there it is written that platyhelminthes have organ level of organization. But if you go to the last of the chapter, there is a yellow color or orange color chart. There NCERT have mentioned platyhelminthes have organ and organ system level of organization. So there is a contradiction of ideas. But if you go to the international books, actually platyhelminthes have organ level of organization, organ system started from the askhelminthes. So please mark my word, what I am talking about. There is a contradiction of ideas in your NCERT, that if you go details platyhelminthes, in that section it's given as a platyhelminthes have organ level of organization. If you go last part of the NCERT, there is a chart where it is mentioned as an organ system level of organization. But remember that actually platyhelminth is, they have organ level of organization. So no issue. Remember this. Acha, organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, true coelomate with segmentation of the body. Now this is the main character. This is the main character. Segmentation of the body. Segmentation of the body. So body is segmented or not. Arthropod, annelids, body segmented. Sure short. Arthropod, annelids, body segmented. Regarding the chordate, there is no information in NCERT. But mollusca body is not segmented. Remember that. Mollusca's body is not segmented. Mollusca's body is not segmented. So wherever is mollusca present, just cut it out. So option number 1 is correct. Option number 1 is correct. We don't know anything about the chordata. Remember that. We don't know anything about the chordata. NCERT related information is not given. But it is clearly mentioned that arthropod annelids body is segmented, but chordate's body we don't know according to NCERT, but this is clearly mentioned. Mollusca body is not segmented. So wherever, if you see in the options, wherever mollusca present, cut. Just simply cut. So option number 1 is correct. Option number 1 is correct. Is it clear? Is it clear all of you? Is it clear how I am solving? See, solving not the major things. Major part is like that. We have to understand how we have to solve. We have to save times. The major area, organ system level of organization, bilateral symmetry, these two, even true coelomates present in all. Chordates also have same, mollusca also have same, arthropod also have same, and leads also have same. But only the major point which actually differ, that is segmentation of the body. Is it clear or not? Segmentation of body, that actually point differ. Mollusca's body is not segmented. Okay, so I am going to the next one. I am going to the next question. I am going to the next question. So, bilaterally symmetrical acoelomate animal are exemplified by 2020 NEET question. Bilateral symmetrical acoelomate animals are exemplified by, tell me quickly. Same related question, if you have appeared in 2025 NEET, same related question came. Same types of question came, but the answer was different. So that's why I told you. That's why I told you that options are very much important. If we check the option, if we study the option properly, we can answer. So quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Which option is correct here? Which option is correct here? Quick. Everyone. Be active, quick. Tell me. Yes, Sarah. Yes. Correct. Correct. Quick. Yes, Caroline, correct. Correct. Yes, correct. Okay, yes, correct. All of you correct. Clear. Okay, so acoelomates. Remember that, be careful about one thing. Be careful about one thing. In NCERT, if you go, I am highlighting NCERT, what is written in NCERT. Please listen me very carefully. If you check NCERT, Porifera, Nidaria, Ctenophora are mentioned as they are acoelomate. But coelom originated from mesodermal layer. Triploblastic animal. Triploblastic animal means ectoderm, endoderm, and middle layer mesoderm present. From the middle layer mesoderm, coelom originated. Is it clear or not? So, coelom originated from middle mesodermal layer. Porifera, Nidaria, Ctenophora, they are not triploblastic. They does not have mesoderm. So, how coelom will come for them? So, we will not remember for Porifera, Nidaria, and Ctenophora. Listen me very carefully why I am talking about. Coelom originated from mesodermal layer. Coelom originated from mesodermal layer. Mesoderm is absent in Porifera, Nidaria, Ctenophora. NCERT has written they are acoelomate. We believe they are obviously acoelomate. Coelom to obviously will be absent. Let's say we are the science candidate. we able to appear, we will ask the question to the science candidate that you have appeared the NEET or not. Obviously, we will not ask to the arts candidate that have you appeared NEET. Right? They do not have science, so how the NEET question will come? Getting my point or not? Getting my point or not? So same is here, that Porifera nidaria ctenophora, they does not have mesoderm. So how about the coelom? But why Porifera is important? Why Platyhelminthes is important? Platyhelminthes have all the three layers: ectoderm, middle layer mesoderm, and inner layer endoderm, but they lack the coelom. So that's why this is Platyhelminthes. Remember, I think you guys, if you have seen the 2025 question, it came from Aspirants. They have some cavities, which is false. That is known as a, obviously they are the pseudocoelomate Aspirants. 2025 NEET question came. Okay, annelids, regarding the coelom point of view, annelida are which type of? Regarding the coelom point of view, they are eucoelomate, ideal coelom present. Ideal coelom present for the annelids. Okay, ctenophora, obviously they are acoelomate because they lack the mesoderm. Okay, so please be careful about these things. Now, question number 16. Question number 16. Quickly answer me. Quickly answer me. Again, you got the trigon. Again, already I told you, trigon. Again, it came. Trigon. Already we have solved in the previous question. That's why I told you that understanding the PYQ is very much important. Okay. Again, trigon came. So tell me which option or which of the options. Trigon. If you got the trigon, you will get the 50% answer. If you get the trigon, you will get the 50% answer. If you are able to solve the trigon, you will get the 50% answer. So quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. If you get the trigon, then you will get the answer. Quick. Everyone. Be active. Tell me. Okay, chalo. Some answer came. Chalo, let's see. Okay. Okay. Be active, everyone. Be active. All time, whenever you will get the match the following column, don't go all out. Don't go all out. Go with one by one. Go with one by one. Do not get all out. Go with one by one. Clear? Go with one by one. So how I am solving? See this. How I am solving? Check that one. Just how I am solving. Trigon. Already in the PYQ, already past question we have solved. Few question earlier we have solved. There we got the trigon. So trigon is a poisonous sting. So it's D with the 4. So D4. D with the 1. D with 1 present in option number 2 and option number 4. So this option number 1 and option number 3 are not correct. Option number 1 and option number 3 are not correct. Clear? Is it clear or not? Okay, so we got now among the option number 2 and option number 4, we will go to the second easiest one. Second easiest one. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits is present in 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits is present in 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits is present in cyclostomata. It's in cyclostomata character. So obviously option number 4. Clear? Option number 2 eliminated. So this question can be solved like that. Easiest way. Make it big fast. Don't go all out for solving. Then it will take time. Okay. Whenever you are practicing, obviously you study everything. But whenever you are solving, you are giving a mock test, you are appearing in a mock test, whenever you are solving the paper, that time do not go all out. It's not like that you have to solve every one. One question you solve, one particular part you solve and check is it matching or not. If match, then done. Clear? Okay. So heterocercal caudal fin. Heterocercal caudal fin is the character of chondrichthyes. Osteichthyes have the air bladder. Air bladder does not present in chondrichthyes. NCERT line directly. Clear? Clear this 2020 NEET question corona time. This question came in corona time. Okay. Next question. Question number 17. 2020 NEET question. 2020 NEET question. Question number 17. Tell me. Question number 17. Question number 17. Tell me this. Gregarious, column 1. Gregarious and polyphagous pest. Gregarious and polyphagous pest. Adult, radially symmetrical. Adult, radially symmetrical. Book lungs, bioluminescence organ. So check the easiest one. Always check the easiest one. Which one is the easy from here? Which one? I think the adult radially symmetrical is very much easy. Adult radially symmetrical is very much easy. Because only the one phylum where the adult is radially symmetrical but the larva is a bilaterally symmetrical. Only the one phylum where adult is radially symmetrical and the larva is bilaterally symmetrical. Remember that question even came from this part. Question even came from this part. Be careful about these things. Question even came from this particular section. Okay, copy paste it, simply copy paste it later. 2020 question, this particular area, adult is radially symmetrical, larva is bilaterally symmetrical. It's this same area is copy pasted. So adult with radially symmetrical, it's a B with the 1. B with 1. B with the 1 is present in two options. So option number 2, option number 4 is eliminated. These are the elimination method. Now gregarious and polyphagous pest is locusta. Gregarious and polyphagous pest, it's a locusta. Is it or not? Okay. So A with the 4, A4 is present in option number 1. So option number 3 is eliminated. Now book lungs is present in scorpions, and bioluminescence organ is the unique features of Tinoplana. Bioluminescence organ is a unique character of the Tinoplanans. Okay, Tinophorans, they have the unique character of a bioluminescence organ. But as I told you that this question, adult radially symmetrical, larva bilaterally symmetrical, this one came also later. Okay, I'm going to the next one. Always try to solve very fast, because match the following column, you have to face problem. That means it will take times. Chalo, check. Again, another 2020 question. Which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? Which of the following 5 statements are true for the phylum Chordata? First statement given. In Urochordata, notochord extend from head to tail and it persists throughout the life. Is it? Chordata divided into, earlier I told you, chordata divided into 3 subphylum. First one, it's a Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrate. So Urochordata, is it the cord extend from the head to tail? Is it? Uro means tail. Remember that. Uro stands for the tail region. Uro stands for the tail region. Uro stands for the tail region. So remember that evolutionary also this particular urochordates have some importance. Urochordates have some importance. Check this very carefully. Urochordata larva possess the advanced character. Larva having the advanced character, but the adult does not have the advanced character. Which one is the advanced character? This notochord. Larva have notochord in their tail, but adult does not have notochord in their tail region. Remember this. This is very, very much important. Adult does not have notochord in their tail region, but larva have notochord in their tail region. So larva possess advanced character, but adult does not have the advanced character. So this is not the character of the urochordates. This actually need to be cephalochordates. These actually need to be cephalochordates. Clear? Okay. Now, so if A is not the correct answer, if A is not the correct answer, what we will do? In which of the option A is present, that is not correct. So option number 2 and option number 1 is eliminated. Clear? Option number 2 and option number 1 is eliminated. Now come to the option number 3. The option number B, or statement number B. In vertebrate, notochord persists during the embryonic period only. Okay, persists notochord in the embryonic period only. Welcome. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow for the chordates. Central nervous system is dorsal and hollow. Last, in the last is given D, chordata divided into subphyla, hemichordata, urochordata, cephalochordata. Is it Achivili? Achivili, what you have mentioned? Option number 3, new era, you have mentioned option number, Achivili and new era, you guys have mentioned option number 4. How it will be? Chordata divided into 3 subphylum is hemichordata is the part of the chordata. Is the hemichordata is the part of the chordata? Chordata have 3 subphylum, urochordata, cephalochordata and vertebrata. Urochordata, cephalochordata and vertebrata. So, which option is correct? Option number 3 is correct. Okay. So, statement number D is not correct. B and C correct. Okay. A is not correct. D is not correct. So, statement number B and statement number C correct, which is given in the option number 3. Is it clear or not? Cephalochordata, chordata is not divided into hemichordata. Hemichordata taxonomically, it does not even come under the chordata. Even that is not also called as a non-chordates. It's actually taxonomic confusions are there. That's why it's a separate phylum given. Remember that. Due to the taxonomical confusion, separate phylum given. Okay. Clear? Now, question number 19. Question number 19. Question number 19. Read the following statement. Read the following statement. Metagenesis is observed in helminth. Metagenesis is observed in the helminth. Is it? Metagenesis is observed in the helminth. What is metagenesis? See, question number 19 of 2021 and whatever we have seen 2015 question. Quickly come and recall 2015 question. 2015 question, what I discuss? See, concept already discussed. If you solve, suppose in your NEET also these kind of things will be common. No matter which year you are appearing, you have to solve the previous year and you have to understand that. So metagenesis related information already we have checked here, that metagenesis mean alternation of generation. Polyp and medusa, these are the 2 stages, and metagenesis is present in cnidarians. Polyp, medusa, these are the stage, and cnidarians having this kind of characters. So in question number 19, it's given metagenesis observed in helminth. Obviously not. Why metagenesis observed in the helminth? Metagenesis is the character of cnidarians. Clear? Echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate. Echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate. Echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate. Is it? Echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate. Acha, first come. Option number, statement number 1, A is wrong. If statement number A is wrong, no matter wherever A is present, that is wrong. So option number 1 wrong, option number 2 wrong. So the option might be in between of option number 3 and option number 4. Might be in between of option number 3 and option number 4. So roundworms have, option number, statement number B given, echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate animals. Is it or not? Is it or not? Because see, very carefully check that one between statement number option number 3 and 4, C and E both present. C and E both present. So I will not see anything. I will not study anything. C and E is the correct. Understand that. C and E is correct according to me. Clear? C and E is correct. Why correct? Because option number A is not correct. So I have cut option number A wherever it is present. In first option, second option, statement number A is given. So correct. Correct. Cut it out. Now option number 3 and option number 4, C and E both presents. Both present. So I have not seen. I have tick mark. I will not study. Just I have to check in between of B statement and C statement. So B statement and D statement. D statement, complete present in the ctenophores, help in digestion. Complete, is it in help in digestion? Is it complete character in the digestion or in the locomotion? Complete character, it's help in the locomotion, not in the digestion. Okay. We'll give motivation. Wait. Just the class started for upcoming 2026. So, please check it. Digestion is not the character. Digestion is not the character. Understand that. Completes are present obviously in the ctenophorans, but that do not help in the locomotions. Clear? That do not help in the locomotions. That do not help in the digestions. That help in the locomotions. So, D is not correct. So, D present in the option number 4, not correct. So, option number 3 is correct. Is it clear to all of you or not? So, please check how I am solving the paper. How I am solving. PYQ to already available. Lots of books are available. Lots of videos are available. The thing is that we have to reduce our time in bio. Thereby, we will get the chance in physics and chemistry. Remember that. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for us to solve the bio paper within a time. And already we have seen this year bio paper that beat maximum number of question which came as a more than one liner. So we need time to solve. So please solve the PYQ, understand the PYQ. That is very much important. I'll share this PDF in my Telegram channel, this solving. So please revise these sections in your home also. Now come to the question number 20. Again match the following column. I told you in my first part, analysis part of this video, that major question came as a match the following column. So please tell me, be quick about your solving. Quickly, be quick. Vaishnavi, have you appeared in the NEET? Have you appeared in the NEET? Vaishnavi, have you appeared in the NEET? Vaishnavi, have you appeared in the NEET? Quickly tell me which option will be correct. Which option will be correct? Okay, please follow the way that I am talking about. Please follow the way that I am talking about. Quickly match one, the easiest one. Just the easiest one for you. Just the easiest one for you. Remember that. Just the easiest one for you. Just solve that one. Then quickly cross check about the options. Do not go all out. Okay, so you are Vaishnavi, you are which caste? Is it general? Which state, which caste? Which state, which caste? So please remember that, as I told you, go like that. Solve one, cross check in the options. That will reduce your time. You need maximum time in physics and chemistry numerical. We have to solve our bio in 40 to 45 minutes. Remember that. Remember that. Okay, so which state, which state, which state, which caste? Then I can say about the cutoff or related, that idea I'll get. Okay, AP. Okay. No. See, be sure question will be come from NCERT book. Be sure question will be come. Rest, please answer. I'm just talking with Vaishnavi right now. So just please go with NCERT. 300 this year paper. You have seen the cutoff also low this year. No? So idea will be like that. Go with NCERT. I don't know what you have done, how you have prepared yourself. Go with your NCERT. Prepare your short note. Without preparation of the short note, you cannot remember all 79 chapters. In the NEET, 79 chapters are there. At the end of the month, you have to revise just before the NEET exam. Obviously, the NEET will be on the month of May 2016. Yeah. I can understand, Vaishnavi. I'm just talking with you. So, what will be your plan on the last month? You cannot revise all 79 chapters at the same time. And the major student face the problem there. Major student face the problem there. They want to revise from the NCERT. How you will revise the NCERT all? More or less, there are 2000 pages if you go with the class 11, class 12 physics, chemistry, bio. Is it possible to revise all the chapters? Obviously not. So what will be our strategy? Our strategy will be that simple, that as you have time for 1 year, I can understand that you have dropped for 1 year, your motivation quite down. That is obvious for each and every single candidate. Their motivation will be down. But you have to live. One dream you want to achieve, that to be a doctor. Understand that question will be easy if you study NCERT. Study NCERT thoroughly, prepare your short notes. You will see your score will be high, but prepare your short notes, give exams, especially for physics and chemistry numerical solving. Okay, bio you have to prepare tactically. In my channel, I'll bring all the PYQs because PYQ is very much important areas. Okay, I have checked the other areas also, other channels also, but the thing is like that, the way I am talking about, bio, see, if you come to this channel, I'll handle bio. That I can give you assure. Rest physics chemistry, you have to do it by your own. But here, time to time, I'll update. You will check the live session. Live session I'll give also. Okay. Now that I can understand. I'm not talking about any of the institution right now. Okay. But the thing is like that. The way that I am talking about, I can understand. Money, obviously, it's a matter. 1 year already gone. And you know, this year also 22 lakh candidate appear from the from all over India's. Okay. Yes. I'll come. Achha, quickly solve this. I need the answer. Quick. Which option? Which is the easiest one? Metamerism observing annelids. A with the 3. So A3 present in option number 1, option number 2. So option number 3 and 4 eliminated. Option number 3 and option number 4 eliminated. Is it or not? Option number 3 and option number 4 eliminated. Now, canal system present in, remember that in our entire of the syllabus, water dash system, there are 2 present. Water dash system, all, overall bio. There is no botany and there is no zoology in your syllabus. In your NEET syllabus, there is no botany, there is no zoology. All bio I'll bring for 2026 NEET. Water dash system is present too. Remember that. Water dash system. One is water canal system. Remember that. Water canal system present in. Water canal system is the character of poriferans. Water vascular system is the character of. Echinodermata. Clear? So water dash system means water canal system for poriferans, water vascular system for echinodermata. Okay, so please remember that. So canal system with the poriferans. So B with the 4, B4 present in both options. So still now A and option number 1 and option number 2 there is a chance. Now complete. Earlier already we have solved. Water canal system, yes, poriferans. Yes. Water canal system present in the poriferans, sponges. Okay. And water vascular system present in echinodermata. Water canal system present in porifera. Remember that. Water canal system present in porifera, water vascular system present in echinodermata. Now, canal system present in the poriferans. Now, completes present in. Complete is the character of. Where is the complete present? Ctenophorans have the complete. Is it or not? Ctenophorans have the complete. So C with the 2 is the first option. So first option is correct. Second option eliminated. Okay. Always check the cross question all. Whenever you are practicing, the way that I am talking about, please do it with the physics and chemistry also. Same way. Just do like that. Clear? Then I think first option is correct. Now nidoblast is present in Coelenterata, that the cavity in the nidarians. The cavity which is present in the nidarians, that is known as a gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron. That's why nidarians also known as a Coelenterata. Clear or not? Clear? So option number 1 is correct. Now going to the next one. Now again match the following column. 2021. Quick. 2021 match the following column. Quick. Here Portuguese man of war given. Maybe in your mind that question will come, why that is called as a Portuguese man of war? Because in the 15th-16th century, when the war was going on, the warship it's actually looked like these particular animals. So actually this particular animal look like that particular ship, okay, warship. So that's why this is called as a Portuguese man of war. Okay, so again go with the same. Now which one came? Scientific name given in one column, their common name given in one column. Phyla is known as a Portuguese man of war. So A with the 3. So as A with the 2, A2 presenting, not in the third option. So third option eliminated. Not in the third option eliminated. Clear? Acha, come, Limulus. Limulus is known as a living fossil. Remember that. Limulus, living fossil. B with the 3. So B3 present in only, B3 is present in option number 2, option number 4, option number 1 eliminated. Clear? Now, ankylostoma. Ankylostoma is known as a hookworm. C with the 4. C4 present in option number 4, option number 2 eliminated. So correct option is option number 4. Pinactada. Pinactada is known as a pearl oyster. Clear? Pinactada is known as a pearl oyster. So option number 4 is correct here. Clear? Now going to the next. Again 2021. Which of the following organism bears hollow and pneumatic bones? KG level question came. Just a simple KG level question. Which of the following organism bears hollow and pneumatic long bones? Which of the following organism bears hollow and pneumatic long bones? 2021 question. Quickly tell me. Hollow and pneumatic bones. Obviously the character will come as a avis. So here scientific name is given. So we have to understand. No Neha. Why it will be 2? Macropus. Macropus is a kangaroo scientific name. Why Neha? It will be scientific name of kangaroo. Remember that. Clear? Macropus is the scientific name of the kangaroo. Clear? That is kangaroo. Macropus is the scientific name of the kangaroo. Yes. So kangaroo it's a mammalians. Hemidactylus is a wall lizard. That is a reptilia. Reptilians. Ornithonchus is a duckbill platypus. That is a mammalia. So correct option is a neophron. That is vulture. Is it or not? Okay. Remember that. Clear? Now, next, assertion reason, one of the toughest areas. And remember that as long as the NEET will progress, more number of assertion reason based question will be asked. So tell me, which options? Assertion given, remember that this related one question came this year, NEET 2025. Related question came in 2025. Same related question, that all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. All chordates are vertebrates, but all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Is it? All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Is it? All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Obviously, na? Because within the phylum Chordata there are 3 subphylum: Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. So all vertebrates are chordates. So assertion is right. Assertion right given in option number 1, option number 2, and option number 4. Option number 3 is not correct. Now, notochord is replaced by the vertebral column in the adult. Remember that notochord is replaced by the vertebral column in the adult. So whenever we are solving the assertion reason based question, please remember that how you will solve. Always study the reason first. Let's say the notochord is replaced by the vertebral column in the adult. Notochord is replaced by the vertebral column in the adult. That's why add this line. That's why all vertebrates are chordates. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. So always you will add. That's why. So study the reason first, then go to the back to the assertion, add the line. That's why, and try to study the lines. Okay, because here depth of the knowledge is required. Without having the depth of the knowledge, we will not able to solve assertion reason based question. Is it clear? Is it clear all of you? Is it clear to all of you? I'm going to the next one. So option 4 is correct. Both assertion reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Clear? Both assertion reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Clear? Next, 2022, question number 24. Question number 24, 2022. Which of the following animals digestive tract has additional chamber like the crops and gizzard? Which of the following animals digestive tract have the additional chambers like the crops and gizzard? So this type of question, did we have practice early? This type of question came early, is it or not? Crops and gizzards are present in the same question. I told you na, in the NEET what happened? The repetition of the question but in a different form. Repetition of the question but in a different form. See, just check the question. See, 2018 question this came. This question came in 2018. That identify the vertebrate group of animals characterized by the crops and gizzard. They are to direct line given aves, reptilia, amphibia and osteichthyes. But here if you see in 2022 question given, they have not directly told us aves. They give us the combination of examples. They have not told us about the aves directly, but combination of examples given. But question is from the same area. 2018 question, same to same, came in 2022, but in a different form. So identify which one. Tell me quickly. Which one? Which one? Quickly, everyone. Tell me. Everyone, tell me quickly. Be quick. Be fast. Be quick. Be fast. Be quick. Be fast. Which options? Do not check book. Identify the easiest one. Try to identify the easiest one. Okay. Try to attend, Bhumi, no issue. Okay. See, always this kind of option. See, that much of thing is not possible to remember, na? That much of example is not possible to remember. But before, you guys are studying from your lower level. So bufo is a frog, cut. Crocodile, cut. Is it or not? Chameleon, cut. That you know at least. Bufo is a frog. Crocodilus is a crocodile. A Sarah, Y is a 4. Chameleon is there. Chameleon does have crops and gizzard. Chameleon is a bird. Does the chameleon is a bird, Sarah? Chameleon is a bird? Obviously not, na? Chameleon is not bird. So bufo is a amphibia. Is it or not? Bufo is a amphibia. Clear? Bufo belongs to the amphibia. Now crocodiles. Clear? Crops and gizzards are present in the aves. So correct option is which one? Which one will be the correct options? Option number 3 is the correct options. So Pabochystratus is a peacock. Ceticula, already I told you earlier in the options also came earlier. The question already we solved today in the previous question. Already it was theirs. And Corvus came. Corvus is a crow that also present early. Clear? So same type of area, same types of area. Clear? Which one is no? Why? Why? Chameleon is a bird? Obviously not, na Sarah. Chameleon is not bird, but here the character which is given, the chambers like the crops and gizzard. Crops and gizzard only present in the abyss. Clear? Okay. Going to the next one. Going to the next one. Exoskeleton of arthropod. Did I told you this? Same thing that I told you earlier. That see, same kind of area question are asking. I think that already discussion done. Same kind of areas discussion done early. I told you, I star mark that area, that these kind of things came early and already asked even also later. So exoskeleton of the arthropod is made up of cellulose, chitin, glucosamine and cutin. Which one? Which one? Exoskeleton of the arthropod. Exoskeleton of the arthropod. Yes, yes, yes. Acha, now tell me chitin. Obviously, correct answer is chalo chitin. We are solving the animal kingdom. Now, if we go to the biomolecules, what is the chitin composition? What is the chitin composition? Can anyone tell me? What is the chitin composition? If we go to the biomolecules and if we check, what is the chitin compositions? Anyone? What is the chitin composition? Anyone tell me? Quick. What is the composition of the chitin? Quickly tell me. Be quick, be fast. What is the composition of the chitin? What is the composition of the chitin? Chitin is made up of. Chitin is made up of. Okay, chalo, I understand. Very easy. Very easy. Option number 2 is correct here. But I am talking about this question came from arthropoda, from animal kingdom, but same related information I am asking from biomolecules. So please tell me, chitin is composed of. Please tell me. Yes. Not N-acetyl. Remember the N-acetyl glucosamine. N, not AN. N-acetyl glucosamine. Clear? N, yes. N-acetyl glucosamine. Correct. N-acetyl glucosamine. Remember that. Okay? That is biomolecule informations. We have to remember N-acetyl glucosamine. That's why now in the option number 3, glucosamine given. Remember that. That's why in the option number 3, glucosamine is given. Is it clear or not? Okay. Please be careful. Acha, N-acetyl glucosamine. So, this is which type of biomolecules? This is which type of biomolecules? Is it protein? Is it carbohydrate? Is it lipid? Which one? Is it nucleic acid? Which type? N-acetyl glucosamine is a which type of form? Which type of form? Is it protein? Is it lipid? Is it carbohydrate? Is it nucleic acid? Which type of form? N-acetyl glucosamine. Tell me. N-acetyl glucosamine is carbohydrate, protein, lipid or nucleic acid? Which type? Is it protein? Quickly tell me. Is it? Sure? N-acetyl glucosamine. Is it protein? Quickly cross check your NCERT. N-acetyl glucosamine. Biomolecule chapter. Quickly go your biomolecules, cross check and tell me. N-acetyl glucosamine. Biomolecules information. Quickly tell me. Biomolecules information. Is it? Have you seen? Check here. I don't know, is it visible or not? I don't know. If you check it here. I don't know, is it visible or not? Acha. What is written in the carbohydrates? Polysaccharides. Check here. I am talking about polysaccharides. but it is written that paper made up of plant pulp and cotton fiber is cellulose. Okay. Now there are more complex polysaccharides in nature. There are more complex polysaccharides in nature. They have as building blocks amino acids, amino sugars, chemically modified sugar, glucosamine, N-acetyl glucosamines. Exoskeleton of arthropod, for example, have a complex polysaccharide called chitin. The complex polysaccharides are mostly polymers. So it's a complex polysaccharide. NCERT information. Remember that. Okay. Clear? Check your NCERT. Cross check your NCERT. Now tell me. Radial symmetry is not found in the adult of the phylum. Where radial symmetry is not found. Be sure about that. Related information already I told you early. Related information already I told you early that adult given. It's written. Adult it's given. Remember that. Adult is given. So adult of the phylum. In which phylum? In the adult. Tell me. In the adult. Quickly tell me the answer. Quickly tell me the answer. Adult given. Adult given. Adult given. Adult given. Adult. So tell me quickly. In which adult? Radial symmetry is not found in the adult of phylum. Yes, hemichordata. Why new era is a 3? Why it will be 3? Coelenterata, Ctenophora, that means Nereida and Ctenophora, they are already having the radial symmetry in their body. But adult of the Echinodermata is a starfish, na? So starfish to pentaradially symmetrical. Starfish to pentaradially symmetrical. So this is also radially symmetrical. Adult of the echinoderms. Clear? So radial symmetry is not found in hemichordata. Not found in hemichordata. Clear? Not found in the hemichordata. Is it clear or not? New era. Is it clear? Clear? New era. Is it clear? Okay. I'll go to the next one. Next. Quickly match this. Related already we have practiced early. Related already we have practiced. NEET 2023 question. Already related question we have practiced. Related question already we have practiced. Quick. Be quick. Try the easiest one. Try the easiest one fast. Tinea already we have solved. Tinea already we have solved. Tell me this. Tinea already we have solved. Tinea will be with. Quickly tell me. Tinea will be with tinea solium. Tinea solium belongs to. Why there is a difference in the answer? Neha Kumari. Why is a 1? New era 2. Again 4. Again 2. Why? Sarafina. Why it's 2? Why there is a difference in the answer? Please go with the easiest one. Tinea solium belongs to the platyhelminthes. So already I discussed that part. P for P. Platyhelminthes with the Protonephridia or flame cells. So A is with the 2. A is with the 3. So if A is with the 3, then option number 2 correct. Why we will go to solve the entire? When we will get the answer by only 1. So there is no necessity now that we will solve the entire everything and they will come back and we'll check. Why there is no such necessity. Just check the one tinea with the flame cells, match done, other option not present. Chalo. Obviously, let's For the solving purpose, we will solve, but do not do this in the exam hall. We need time for physics and physical chemistry. Remember that. So paramecium with the contractile vacuoles. Fasciola hepatica with uricose gland. Fasciola hepatica with uricose gland. Ferritima prostoma, that is earthworm. Earthworm means annelid. Annelida have nephridia. So Tinea platyhelminthes having flame cell. Ferritima they belongs to the annelida. They are having the nephridia. This related information already I discussed early. So please try to recall this concept. Concept wise, these are all same. Remember, these all are same. Quite. Okay, next question number 28. Go to the question number 28. Tell me. Question number 28. Question number 28. Quickly tell me. Question number 28. Which of the, select the correct statement with reference to the chordates. Select to the correct statement with reference to the chordates. Presence of mid-dorsal, solid and double nerve cord. Presence of mid-dorsal, solid and double nerve cord. Presence of mid-dorsal, solid and double nerve cord. Is it the correct statement or not? Mid-dorsal, solid and double nerve cord. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it correct? The first statement, is it correct? Mid-dorsal, solid, double. Obviously, nerve cord is a hollow. Remember that. Nerve cord is a hollow, not double, but that is single. So statement number 1 is not correct. Statement number 1 is not correct. So once the statement number 1 is not correct, so wherever the statement number 1 present, that is not correct. Is it or not? Statement number A, wherever it is present, option number 4 it is present, this is not correct. Now, presence of closed circulatory system. Presence of closed circulatory system is the character of the chordata. So this is B is present. So B present in all three options, first, second, third. Now, presence of paired pharyngeal gill slits. That is also the character of the chordates. Presence of dorsal heart. Obviously this is not the character of the chordates. Our chordates heart are ventral heart. Remember that. Chordates heart are ventral heart, not the dorsal. Ventral heart. So if ventral heart is present, here it is dorsal heart written. So D is not correct. E, triploblastic pseudocoelomate animal, not pseudocoelomate. All the chordates are eucoelomate animal, or the chordate are eucoelomate animals. No. Presence of dorsal heart given. Remember that. Presence of dorsal heart given. That is the chordate character. Presence of dorsal heart. Is that the character of the chordates? Which one is dorsal and which one is ventral? Present of dorsal heart, that is not the character of the chordata. Ventral heart. Last is given the triploblastic pseudocoelomate. Obviously triploblastic chordates are triploblastic, but not the pseudocoelomate. Chordates are eucoelomate. Clear? So B and C correct, that means option number 1 correct. Clear? Okay. Now, next. Question number 29. Question number 29. Unique characters of the mammalians are. Unique character of the mammalia are. What is the unique characters of the mammalia? Tell me, what are the unique characters of the mammalia? Indirect development present in mammalia. Is it? Obviously not. Indirect development does not present in mammalia. Indirect development does not present in mammalia. Is it or not? Okay. Monocondylic skull. Monocondylic skull is the character of birds. Monocondylic is the character of birds. So what is the meaning of monocondylic? That means they have the one occipital condyle. Okay, that much of details is not given, but remember monocondylic skull is the character of birds. Now pneumatic bones also character of the birds. So which one is the character of the mammals? Unique character, hairs, pinna and the mammary glands. Option number 1. This question came in NEET 2023. Now next, consider the following statement. Consider the following statement. Which statement are true here? Annelids are true coelomate. Is it? We have to identify the correct statement. Annelids are true coelomate. Coelom wise information given, like Porifera, Nidida, Ctenophora, they do not have mesoderm, so they are obviously acoelomates. Platyhelminthes, acoelomate, having mesoderm but lack of coelom. And for NEET 2025 question came from this particular pseudocoelomates. Aschelminthes is a pseudocoelomates. So rest all are eucoelomates. So annelids are true coelomate. Okay. Poriferans are pseudocoelomate. Porifera are acoelomate. Is it or not? Okay. Next, Aschelminthes are acoelomate. Aschelminthes are acoelomate. Obviously not. Aschelminthes is pseudocoelomate. Why it's Neakumari 1, Sarafina 1? Why it will be 1? Platyhelminthes are pseudocoelomate. No, Platyhelminthes is not pseudocoelomate. Aschelminthes is pseudocoelomate. This 2025 question came. So Platyhelminthes are acoelomate. Is it or not? So option number 3 is correct. Remember that. Okay, option number 3 is correct. Clear? Question of 2024 NEET. Now again match the following column. So you have seen after 2020 the number of this match the following question increase. Tell me, pleurobrachia, radula already we have done earlier. Radula already we have done earlier. Radula already I told you that is a rasping organ. Help in the food purpose. Okay. Tell me this. So pleurobrachia or radula with, chalo, easiest one, radula with mollusca. B1, that already we have solved. B1. So B1 only present in one option number 3 correct. In a second week the question can be solved. Everything is not required. I am planning to do all the 2025 question. Okay. Or what to do, already it's 10. I can understand that this one session started from 7:40. So okay, no issue. Just solve this question and we'll bring the next question. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Not tomorrow, it will be day after tomorrow. Okay, on the Friday, same at 7:30 p.m. We'll come again on the Friday. During that time, NEET 2025 re-NEET question. Some of the question that which came earlier in other papers in the NEET paper, but that is not the direct NEET. There are so many times. This session is for 2026-2027 who will appear to the NEET or any PCB related exams. This session is for them. Remember that. This session is for 2026, although it's given, I have given because upcoming NEET is 2025, but whoever is studying right now in class 11, whoever is studying in class 12, both will be helpful for them, because this topic I am talking about animal kingdom present in class 11. Okay. So as a dropper candidate, as a class 11 candidate, as a class 12 candidate, both will help. So let's solve this question first. And again, this session will be continuing on the Friday. from 7:30 p.m. Okay, I'll give the update in my WhatsApp channel, in my Telegram channel also, and same continuation, Animal Kingdom, it will be there. Okay, so pleurobrachia is a ctenophora. Pleurobrachia is a ctenophora. Is it or not? Pleurobrachia is a ctenophora. Is it or not? Pleurobrachia, I have not end. Pleurobrachia is a ctenophora or not? Ctenophorans. Pleurobrachia, ctenophora or not? Ctenophora. Stomachod present in. I'll do the session. I'll come. Just wait for a minute. Just I'm solving this question. I'll come on that part about that session you're talking about. Okay. So stomachod is related with hemichordates. Stomachod is related with the hemichordata. Is it or not? Because stomachod lack the actual notochord, but they have some structure which is look like the notochord. That is called as a stomachod. Okay. Air bladder present in the ostrichthyes. So check this. Air bladder related information already we got early. Air bladder related information already we got early. In the previous question it was present. Radula it was present in the previous question. Pleurobrachia also present was the previous question. So question are collecting from the previous year only. Concept are collecting from the previous year only. Clear? So option number 3 is correct. Now for you for 2025 NEET counseling related college, I'll bring college related information I'll bring, but first for this counseling purpose now I'll wait for merit list to publish. I'll wait for the because already it's done from my side. Once the student will show the interest, the requirement will be high for the student will be whenever the merit list will be published, because right now there are so many students. BT ground is not clear. Backward tribe ground is not clear for us. For Nagaland I am talking about. So once the backward tribe part is clear, will be clear for us. Once the merit list will be published, from the same day I will bring the videos for college. Okay, even the counseling part also. How you will do the counseling, what are the documents will be required. See, final merit list, I think it will become on the first week. Tentative merit list, provisional, not the provisional, it's from my side. The merit list already I have published 129 seats in my WhatsApp group, because that is very much necessary, because that will decide the career of the students. Who will take the drop, who will go for the practice, who will go, because till now I got the information 2 students is not participating this year counseling round, having more than 350 score. They are not participating in counseling round. That the news I have. One to I discussed in my last live session. Another that I got, another candidate who have the score of 350 plus will not participate in the counseling round. They will appear next year also. They will again appear next year. Okay. So all the updates I'll give my channel. Is it clear? Crying apple and pickle candy. Okay. So thank you all for attending this session. Again, I'll come on live with the Animal Kingdom on Friday from 7:30 p.m. Remember that 7:30. All the updates. Even please go and hit the notification button tomorrow in the second half, so you will get update whenever I'll come to the live. Clear? So update notification I'll give. So chalo, good night everyone. But please revise the Animal Kingdom. We'll discuss some NEET related question and some other question, but it will be from NEET related question. Clear? Okay. Good night.